Welcome back. Today, let's delve into the transformative power of Kegel exercises, a simple yet effective practice often ignored. These exercises aren't just for women post-childbirth. They're essential for anyone, regardless of age or gender. Whether you're seeking better pelvic health, improved bladder control, or enhanced intimate experiences, Kegels can profoundly impact your quality of life. Just settle in and let's uncover everything you need to know about incorporating Kegel exercises into your routine. Kegel exercises involve clenching and releasing the pelvic floor muscles, essentially the foundation that supports your bladder, uterus, or prostate. Picture them as a hidden hammock at the base of your pelvis. Keeping these muscles toned can prevent numerous issues ranging from incontinence to sexual dysfunction. Introduced by Dr. Arnold Kegel in the 1940s, these exercises have evolved, showing that everyone can benefit, including men dealing with prostate complications or individuals facing challenges due to excess pressure from chronic coughs or obese IU. The advantages of Kegel exercises are remarkable, spanning a wide range of benefits. Improved control over bladder and bowel function, better recovery following childbirth or surgery, and increased sexual sensation are just the beginning. They can also assist in avoiding pelvic organ prolapse as we age while contributing to overall core stability and better posture. That sounds appealing, right? And the best part is that you can practice them anytime, anywhere. No fancy equipment needed. Before you engage in Kegel exercises, it's crucial to identify the right muscles. You can do this by attempting to stop your urine mid-flow. The tightening sensation indicates the pelvic floor at work. For men, it's akin to trying to hold back gas. For women, imagine you're tightening the vagina as though you're holding in a tampon. Now that you know how to identify these key muscles, remember that the focus should solely be on them. Your abdominal or glute muscles shouldn't be involved during this process. To perform a Kegel workout, start by ensuring your bladder is empty. Next, contract your pelvic floor muscles, holding for 3 to 5 seconds before relaxing for the same duration. Repeat this cycle about 10-15 times, 3 times a day. As your strength builds, aim to increase the hold time to 10 seconds. You can do these exercises while lying down, sitting, or standing. Just remember the importance of consistency. Expect to see noticeable improvements in bladder control within 4 to 6 weeks. With patience, sexual performance benefits will emerge too. Set reminders, consider pairing Kegels with complementary exercises, or explore helpful apps to optimize your practice. Thank you.